Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Terraria Survival Let's Play. And this time Josh isn't going to be on. He might join us, but currently he's not on. Because, yeah, he's just straight up not on, don't ask. And he might join us because I texted him saying get on, and also sent him messages saying get on and hello, spelled wrong. Wait, what? Why isn't this open? Are you kidding me? Why isn't this open? There we go. Why do I still have 10 torches? Okay. It's mine over here because I know there's water down there. Oh, this is so annoying sometimes. Okay. Right down here. Oh god, don't you dare tell me. Aw, are you kidding me? And wait, where's the exit? Are you telling me there wasn't an exit yet? Oh god. No. Mr. Slimy Whipper and Blowler. Please. No. Guys, I might not have saved the last time, so it's might be a little off. Aww. That's a little mean. Come on, what did I do to you, slime? I didn't stab you a few times with a sword, or poke you a few times with a sword. Come on, not that mean. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. 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 1 second. Is this from my previous life? I'm getting revenge. Okay. Now I'll continue on. Am I released? Okay. Do this now, it's released. And how do I get out? I have no idea. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Continue onward. As I recall, I know everything that's in here. Yep. Okay. And do this. Okay. What do I have? This, okay. Continue onward. What's with these spikes on the roof? God. That'll hurt. That does not look like a mushroom. What else? It looks like an egg on top of a rock, but it's... Okay. Are you kidding me? I just did the exact opposite of what I wanted to do. Holy. What? What is... Giant worm, are you kidding me? Since when are you in this game? Well, I know you're in this game, but since when are you supposed to haunt me only when I'm digging holes? And since when do you kill me when I'm starting out? Ow, my face. Oh god. Okay. This is really slow. Okay, now I'll just do this. Flow out all the water. Also, guys, I just realized also why Josh probably isn't on. It's probably, or girls, whatever you are. I don't want to be offensive. Josh probably isn't on because it's like still in the morning. Let's see, it's 10 in the morning, almost 11. Okay. Wait, what? What's over here? Could have just done this to begin with. Could have just done that to begin with instead of flowing out so slowly. Why is it all dusty? Jeez. Very moody game. Ah. It's just like, wow, should I just torch bash it? I didn't know that was possible in this game, but okay. Torch here for later. And what's in here? Okay. Yeah, stab, stab, stab. I guess there's another exit. Hello there. There. Oh, no. Oh, there is. Okay. Fine. Oh god. Okay, back. Alright. Should escape out of the season. Caca! Okay, wait, more lead, I'm guessing. Alright. What is platinum? Whatever that is. Am I able to like make this into platinum coins or something? Or is it like really supposed to be rare and I just got really lucky? Doesn't seem like it because I'm mining it pretty fast for copper pickaxe. I'll just ask the guide. Okay, there. Just get to is up there. Face. Axe to the face, recap, axe to the face, axe to the face, axe to the face. There we go. What's that? Oh, Piranha? Oh, why is there piranhas? Are you kidding me? Okay, so that's how I can start building. What is that, a Moses? There. Okay, it's not Josh. Fail the parkour. No, I want to see what you are. Oh, emerald. I thought I still don't know that. I know what that is Minecraft wise. If it was with mods, but not this case. Okay, platinum. Yeah, platinum's definitely not rare, but I'm mining it anyways. That's what dwarves do. They dig holes. This is all my reach allows for. What's that? I could just do this. There we go. At least maybe platinum used for armor or something. Maybe. Well, there isn't that new update that came out a while ago, which Josh knew a lot about it, but not me. Because he reads forums and stuff. I just play and just go, okay, this appears new, this appears new, and this appears new. Josh, however, he goes, okay, this is new, I know that, okay, studied, now let's play the game. Me, I just go right into it. He actually studies, which is kind of sad considering I'm a nerd, but then it just adds element of surprise, I guess. No. Okay, there we go. Parkour fail. No, don't you dare, slime. Oh, slime, I'm sorry. You're stuck. Oh god, you're not stuck there. What? That's a... Okay. Crafting. What is this platinum stuff used for? The platinum brick. Platinum bar. Let me make a furnace. Okay. What's this used for? Okay, I guess. What's lead used for? Lead bars. There's quite a bit of it. Okay. So apparently lead is not new. Oak coil. Sure. Oh, I just know I have one like that. Okay. How do I make a furnace? Okay, how do I make a furnace, really? Furnace. 4 wood, okay. 20 stone, oh god. 3 torches, okay. For Narnia, oh god. No, oh, we have our pet, okay. That's pet room. Alright, wood's coming up really fast. If I had the ice rod, I would just be able to, like, immediately chop it down. With a glitch, I know, but... Oh, maybe it still might not work anymore, but... What stone do I have? I have... 18. I need 20. Also, I should just make torches right here now. Green torch. That's what emeralds are used for, apparently. There we go. All stuff set up. Right, so I need to be at the workbench, apparently. Yeah. Yeah. No, you don't, flying fish. I know you and your fishiness. Okay. There we go. Platinum, lead, and platinum. Let's see, make a bunch of platinum bars and a few lead. Let's go ask what this is used for. Wait, might as well just do this for now. That way it's moving. That way moving. Okay, that's not your room. Okay. Now, guide, where are you? Crafting. What is what? What is platinum? Throne? Platinum torch. Platinum hammer, nice. Platinum pickaxe. 59 pickaxe power, it's mine. Currently. 59 pickaxe power, holy crap. Diamonds staff. You can make diamonds? I knew it. 26 magic damage. Okay. Platinum crown and helmet. What is this really? Okay. Platinum helm. Tested. Yeah, sure, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Not very new. Wait, what? Why can't I make anything? Died? Why is it letting me make any tools? Crafting. Silver. No, not silver. Platinum. Anvil. I need an anvil. How do you make an anvil? Silver? Maybe? Or how much of a bit of iron? Silver. 4. Yeah, it's... whatever. I'm gonna go buy for some iron. And what it's... I'm not gonna let him buy. We need iron. I'm pretty sure. Let's check. Brick, no. All the platinum brick looks wicked. Nah. Anvil. No. Oh, furnace and lead anvil. Well, I didn't know that was possible. What's the difference from an anvil and a lead anvil? Better in one of the cages. Let's get that in here and what's iron. But it's probably iron. I don't trust no lead anvil. Oh god. Where'd he go? No, that's not what I wanted to do. Give me back my sword. There we go. Torches. Is that platinum? Yes. That's lead, actually. I don't make lead stuff. I'll test out the lead anvil. Okay. I have no idea what that is, honestly, because I didn't read anything about it. Okay, this is gonna be pretty long, not long, but yeah. But a long upload for me. Uploading takes almost like ages to upload. Takes all night. In case you didn't know, and you're just like, we don't have a Google account, YouTube account or anything. It takes ages to upload and hugs like all of your internet's nothing. No. It's sad when you're getting dominated by slimes. Well, that's what it was like back then. Just like get dominated by slimes. You're a noob. Ow, my face. Come on, you got me. Let's keep looking. Ooh, what's that up there? Stuff I can't reach. Very good explanation. Platinum, yay. Yay. Oh crap, my face. Run away. Well, walk away because apparently I'm not running. This guy would rather die. Run, walk away. Walk away. Just keep walking. What? Wait, stop chasing you. Is that a? Oh, that's what Moses was. It wasn't Moses, it was a mouse. Pretty embarrassing considering I'm a Catholic. No. Shit. I just got dominated then. I got to make lead, what's it called? Or lead on the... What's this? Lead? Oh yeah. So, as if you notice, it was a little bit greener. Okay. Fine, I'll make a freaking lead anvil. What's the difference between a lead anvil and a regular anvil? It looks quicker. Oh, I'm able to make a garbage can and toilets. That's a lot better. I like mining, so where's platinum? I need wood. Come on, wood. Why do you always do this to me, wood? Hey, look, is that more platinum? Or is that lead? Probably lead. Okay, let's check. Yep, it's lead. Not bad. Mine it anyways, so. Might actually be used for something. It's really good. Okay. Covered in, like, what's it called? Covered in anvils. It might be good for, tools. Platinum pickaxe, eh? Wait, lead. What's all about lead? 43.59. Oh wow, can mine meteorite. Boom. Okay, what else is there? Like, what is it, Daddy? Do I have platinum? Oh, one. Okay. Lead axe, or should I make like a sword of lead? Silver or lead broadsword. It's not used for pens though. Silver or lead, silver or lead. I could only make lead, but they're actually the same thing. Wow. Silver is the equivalent of lead. Alright. Lead broadsword. Because why not? It's a lot better, honestly. And also, oh my crap. Hurtful. Very fast, probably. Oh my god. Such a dwarf now. Holy crap. It is so fast. Oh my god. Well guys, thank you for watching episode 2 of Terraria. See you all next time. And I'll hopefully save this time.